Hey everyone, it's the Train Freak here, and tonight we have Sidetrack Sunday, and it's my turn to do November's third edition. And it's going to be at 8 o'clock tonight Eastern Time, or if you live in other parts of the states, you got 7 o'clock Central, 6 o'clock Mountain Time, and 5 o'clock Pacific Time. And if you're in Hawaii or Alaska, I really don't know what time to tell you, and depending on where else you're at in the world, yeah, you'll just have to kind of do a time exchange and look it up and see what's the hourly difference. So, but 8 o'clock Eastern tonight, Sidetrack Sunday, I'm hosting. I just spray painted um, part of a Walthers Kit here, and I'm hoping that we can put it together tonight. This is going to be one of the industries for my layout. So, if you ain't got nothing else going on, feel free to join us. Come out, hang out, and have a good time. So, that's 8 o'clock Eastern on my channel. Y'all take care, and I will see y'all later.